All right, Joanna, today we are going to be working on goal 3 and 4. So for goal 3, we are going to be, let's see, a number and written from long verbal and visual model poem. Joanna will count numbers that include ones and tens placed to demonstrate understanding. So we're going to continue doing the worksheets that you were doing last time. So I know you already worked on that one. So now we're going to do this one. So it says here, shade the correct number in the tens frames and fill in the tens and ones. So in this worksheet, Joanna, I want you are going to shade in with your pencil or your crayon on your worksheet, where does the 8 go? So you have how many ones and how many tens? So you have 8, correct? So with that one, you are going to shade in 8. So you're going to shade in 8 dots. So 8, and then on this side, it tells you how many tens do you have? Well, we don't have tens, so we have 0. How many ones? 8. Number 2, let's do number 2 together. So number 2, the number is 12. How many dots are you going to color? 12. Now they want you to tell me which one goes in the tens place and which one goes in the ones. So remember, this first number is always your ones. If it stands alone, it is a 1. So this is the ones place and this is the tens place. So what number goes here? In your tens place, you will put number 1. In the ones place, you would put number 2. And you're going to do that for the rest of the worksheet. Once you are done, you are going to take a picture and submit it for a grade. Let's continue to goal number 4. So on goal number 4, Joanna, you are going to solve double-digit or 3-digit numbers. So you've been doing really good with that. So I know last time you worked on this worksheet. I want you to go ahead and continue by working on the second worksheet, which is adding tens. Let me see. I think you already did this one. Yes, you did. No, you didn't. Okay, so you're gonna work on worksheet number. Oh yeah, you did. So let's go ahead and jump to this worksheet. Worksheet number 3. So it says 2-digit addition with regrouping using the number line to help you. So this number line is only to help you see the numbers. So you are going to add your numbers. Make sure you're regrouping them appropriately. So what we'll do here, Joanna, since there's a lot of questions, I only want you to do the first. Just do the first 8, 1 through 8. And we will stop on number 8, okay? So I want you to do from here, from number 1, let me see, number 1 to number 8. So what's highlighted. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Once you are done, take a picture and submit it for a grade. Do not worry about the rest of the problems. We will continue with those the following week. So good luck. If you have any questions, let me know.